This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot pre-season promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, September 28th, 2018. I gotta go do a annual burner service for this guy. They got a peerless boiler over there, oil fired, and I usually go there every year and do it. I don't think I've done a combustion test on it. I'll probably, I'll do the nozzle filter type of thing and make sure it's not full of soot and run it. Maybe do a combustion test on it.
Turn left on Bond's Corner, Gull Road. In 1/2 mile, turn left on Rockdale Avenue.
What did I do last year? Brushed vacuum boiler, new nozzle, reset air band. Good draft over 5. I was here last year. It's got a problem with the chimney on the bottom. The thing's just all kind of. Check it, we'll run it, see how it's running. Looks okay there. Nozzle looks fine. Check it. We'll run it, see what we're doing for draft and oil flow. Check the oil flow and see if this filter is blocked. Check the oil flow. We'll start it up and we'll check the oil flow. Let's see the oil flow I'm getting. That's good. I'm getting a good oil flow to this filter, and this filter is fine. The nozzle looks like brand new. Getting good draft over the fire. And it was here last year. I gave it a full good cleaning, so. This thing's fine. But yeah, I want to show you what the chimney looks like. Look at it. The door's just rotted right off it. I told him he's got to block that with something. He's arguing with me about it. Unbelievable. That's not really safe. Look at the door. It's disintegrated on the ground there. He's going to have to put some kind of concrete block there or something. Block that thing. Look at the chimney. It's falling apart. Unbelievable. So can you get some cement blocks and cover that hole? I'm trying to explain to you that it's important that that's blocked. That shouldn't be open like that. You know, there could be a problem. So,
what kind of problem are we talking about?
Well, when you get draft in a chimney, it's killing your draft because it's sucking air into there. That's supposed to be blocked. There was a door on there, a door, and it rotted away. So if you could get some concrete blocks and clean that out and stack them in front of it to block the hole.
Okay.
It really should be done. It's something that's you know, it should be done.
Right. So
it's serious. It's a serious situation. You shouldn't have a hole in a chimney like that. Does that make sense?
I'm trying to understand. With that open, what is you're telling me that going upstairs, going all the way up to the roof, it's open, right? So air is coming down. Is that what it is?
No, air goes up the chimney.
Right. Well,
with that hole like that,
yeah.
Okay, it's sucking air into the bottom, and it's not as good of a draft as it should.
But I mean, what is?
It's supposed to have a cover door on that. That's door.
It's supposed to. All right. But what's the effects?
Hey, guy, I don't know what to tell you. I'm telling you to cover the hole.
I know you're telling me that, but what I'm asking you is what does it? What is the difference between?
It's not gonna perform the proper draft through the appliances if that hole's there.
Really?
Yeah. It's not gonna work properly.
Oh, okay. All right, then I got to do it. All right.
You really need to.
All right, I didn't know it affected.
Yeah, it's gonna affect the draft. It's not gonna have proper draft. That's why the front of this thing's all cooked. Go ahead, clean nozzle, head assembly, good oil flow, and we got a good, decent draft.
So you would have noticed it last year then.
Well, I didn't notice it last year.
I don't know.
It might have rotted off. There's no Taj Mahal here.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I never really noticed if it was like that or not.
All right, clean nozzle, head assembly, good oil flow, good draft over fire.
So what were you saying now about that's why it's cooked?
Well, look at the front of this thing. See how it's all cooked here? See how it's all cooked?
Yeah.
That could be a good reason why, because that chimney was, you know, not getting a proper draft.
Oh, for crying out loud. Yeah, I don't remember it like that before.
Well, I cleaned it good last year. I took it all apart and I brushed it and everything, but, you know, that's a serious situation. You know, you got to fix that.
Okay.
Just get some cement blocks, and you can put the blocks right in front of it and cover the hole. Just make sure that they're tight against there, and you'll be all right, you know.
Oh, so just buy some cement blocks, clean that out.
Clean that out and stack the blocks up, but make sure it's tight against there, so you're not going to, you know, it's got to be tight against there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then if you ever got to clean it, you can move the blocks. All right?
Oh, I got, if you got to clean it, yeah, right, you can move it.
Sure. That's a clean out. That's what that's designed for. If you got to clean the chimney, they open the door, they vacuum out the chimney, and then they close the door. Well, your door's all rotted off. It fell off. It's supposed to be closed.
When those guys call up about...
You my friend? Are you my friend? Huh? Yeah, you're my friend. You waiting for Daddy? All right, get in your seat. Come on, push over. Get in your seat. I gotta go to the next job. Come on. Push over. Come on, get in. Get in your seat. Get in your seat. We'll go to the next job. Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Alright, Sorry guys, just left that job. That guy's arguing
Turn left on County Street, then take the first right.
Guy's arguing with me about that chimney. You know, why should he have to fix it? It's got a giant hole in the bottom of the chimney. You know, the access door to clean the chimney is rotted completely off, and he's arguing with me on why he needs to do it. That's like unbelievable. I mean, I guarantee I go back there next year, it's going to be the same thing. It'll be
Turn right on
still on the ground.
Then turn left.
Hopefully he takes care of it. I told him to put some cement blocks in front of it. You know, make sure it's sealed good, and then it'll work better. I mean, you can't have a giant opening in the chimney like that. It's not good. But sometimes people just don't understand. I mean, try to do the best I can explaining it to them, but
Turn left on John F. Kennedy Memorial Highway.
guys like that, I probably just won't even work for them again. If you're gonna argue with me about something so simple as fix, you know, got a giant hole in your chimney, you gotta have it fixed, guys. You know, why argue with the guy? It's better not even to work for him. Really raining here today, but. Molly the dog. Miss Molly.